How to improve recording quality in OBS Studio. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can improve your recording quality in OBS Studio. So the first thing that you can do is click onto this file option and from here choose settings. Now within the settings, you can go to your video tab and from here make sure that it is set to the highest resolution as supported by your Windows computer. In my case, it is 1920 by 1080. Now from here you can also choose the particular FPS that you would like. I am currently choosing it to 30, and apart from that you can also choose it to 60 if you would like, or it is supported. And then you can also go to this option that is the stream option, I mean the output option. And within the output option you can simply choose advanced, and in the advanced you can go to the recording tab and from here choose custom output. And within the custom output you can see the video bitrate. So it is currently set to 6000 kbps, but the better the number, the more better output you get, and also the file size increases drastically. So you can also set it to 10,000 or more. So let's say I'm going to choose 12,000 kbps. And apart from that you also have other options like the format as well. So for the best compatibility, I would suggest that you choose the MP4 format. So these are some of the ways, and from here you can click onto this apply option and click onto OK. So these are some of the ways using which you can improve your recording quality in OBS Studios. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.